Welcome to PC Fun Store. In this short, we're showcasing a $695 gaming PC build for 2025 with the following components. First, the CPU, AMD Ryzen 5 5500 for $78. Next, the GPU AMD RX 6600 for $239. Motherboard, ASRock B550M Pro SE for $85. RAM, Silicon Power Gaming 32 gig at 3200 MHz CL16 for $55. Storage, Western Digital Black SN770 1TB NVMe SSD for $86. Case, DIY PC ARGBQ 3V2 Micro ATX Mini Tower for $67. Power supply, Seasonic Focus GX 650W 80 Plus Gold for $85. Total cost $695. This build is perfect for high-performance gaming at 1080p and even 1440p in many titles. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more build guide.